Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to follow shop on Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. After opening the app, select the product you like and go to the product's description. Under the review section, here is the review section, you'll find the information about the store that sells this product, and here you can see follow button right next to the store's logo. You just need to click on follow button. I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.